So the rule was not to buy any more canvases, finish everything that I'm working on. But so I told myself I wasn't going to buy any more canvases because I've got 20 that I'm currently working on, but I had a really good idea last night and I got really excited about it, so I bought a canvas today. I got really excited and bought a canvas, and now I'm a big believer when you have an idea and when you feel inspired, you should probably roll with it. And it doesn't matter if you've given yourself limitations of not buying any more canvases, or if you feel limitations from other people or from society or anything else. When you feel inspired to do something, that is when you should act.